guys, welcome to lesson number 8. Credit cards to get if you're just starting out. I know our previous lesson was for those people that already have established credit. Well, if you have below 700 or worse than that, this next lesson is specifically for you. Okay, so when you're first starting out, you are probably bombarded or desperate to get any credit card offer. And what you'll most likely be offered are credit cards from the following. And these are credit cards you should never ever get. Okay, so the first one, let's just put this, never apply for, okay? Which most likely you guys have. A lot of my clients, when they sign up for my program, they already have these cards, which is why I know. Okay, so number one is Credit One Bank. Credit One Bank. Okay, Credit One Bank will probably get a $300 limit, $300 to $500 depending upon your history. Capital One, Capital One Platinum, you'll get a $300 to $500 limit. Okay. Let's see what else. First Premier, don't want to get that. First Premier, you'll get a $300 limit. Okay, now let's look at the interest rates on these. So let me pull this up here. Wow, okay. Look at this, 23.99% interest, all right? You do not want to have that, okay? So just rebuilding your credit and trying to get good credit. You're not going to get good credit by ripping yourself off and giving your money voluntarily to these credit companies. So do not apply for any of these. And there's more. There's, First Premier, Horizon Gold. Horizon Gold, you'll get 150, and I think it's 26% interest for this one. That's a scam. All of these are scams. They're in between, 23, 24, 25, some higher than that. What else do we have? Oh, and then next is a really easy one to be scammed. It's called the secured card. Secured credit card by your local bank. If you bank with Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, they will offer you a secured credit card, which is basically you opening up a credit card with a secured deposit that is used against you, and then you're being charged interest on. So imagine putting money into a bank and then having that costing you money, right? So let's look at that. Let's pull that up real quick. Okay, there we have it, 22.99% on money that you can't even really use, you have to pay back, and 3% balance transfer fee, that's normal, okay? But you have to put money up front. This is a secured credit card. Another thing is when you're building or rebuilding your credit, I should say, when you have these credit cards in your arsenal, in your wallet, you're basically putting a tattoo on your forehead or a sign on your forehead that says, take advantage of me, I'm a desperate borrower, I don't know how to manage money, so I'm dumb enough to give them 26%, 24%, whatever interest rate that they're taking, plus annual fees and stuff like that. Secured card is no different. You're basically saying, hey, I'm a newbie, take advantage of me, I don't qualify for all the cards that I talked about in the previous video, okay? So what do you do at this point? I'll tell you what you need to do. So let me erase this. So what's better than getting a $300 credit limit, $500 credit limit, or putting $1,000 opening deposit on a secured credit card from a bank that charges you, 23%, 22.99% interest, whatever it is. What is it? Yeah, 22.99%. is to look to the right and go on my website. Go ahead and scroll down where you see trade line section, right there. Okay, so 10K of unsecured credit overnight. Okay, so what you need to do is go to my website. There's two banks, Carmel Financial, Major Financial. They're going to approve you for a 5K limit each. It's a lot better than, if you were to combine all of those 5 cards that I put up before, Credit One, First Premier, Capital One Platinum, Green Dot, Horizon Gold, it would still not equate to 5K, okay? So go ahead and click on Get Trade Line right there. I'm going to show you how you sign up. You just click the link, and then there's a form that should pop up. You fill out your name, email, and phone number, and then check your inbox. You will be emailed 2 links to apply. So there is an enrollment fee of $100 per account, so that's $200 out of pocket. You sign up, you pay your $100 fee, and then you have to purchase something on their online website. One of the websites is a jewelry store. They sell jewelry products. Don't get too caught up in the jewelry. Just focus on the fact that you are getting a $5,000 unsecured line of credit. If you're just starting, this is what you need to show on paper. You need to show to the rest of the banks that you have a 5K limit times 2 and you're using them properly, okay? So there's a rule. Anytime you have a credit card for personal credit, you have to have your balance, keep your balance below 9%, okay? So if you get these 2 credit cards, we'll do Carmel Financial, Major Financial. They give you a 5K limit, okay? And then you go to their online website, which is my website, which will lead you to their website. You make a purchase of no more than, $200. That's the catch. So in order to be approved for the 5K, you have to buy something on their site for, $100, $50, but I recommend $200 because it's definitely below 9% utilization, and it's a healthy amount to start out with. Now, once you make that purchase, the item will be shipped to you in 7 to 10 days, and then next month, you'll get those trade lines reported on your credit reports, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And then your scores should jump up. And every time you make a monthly payment, your score is going to continually bump up. And so I recommend that all of my clients that join my program do this immediately or as soon as they can. That way they get way better than a secured credit card and all the subprime credit cards that are going to charge you like 22.99% interest or above. Okay. Yes, these banks do charge you a high interest. That's not, ideal. However, look at what you're getting. In the beginning, this is what you want. You want to have 10K of credit reported on your credit report, so you have your available limit really high, and then as you begin to make your monthly payments on time, then we can apply for those better top-tier credit cards accordingly. And if you're a client of mine, I could work with you step by step through that. Okay, so that's lesson number 8, how to get approved for 10K of credit when just starting out. That's definitely something we want to do, and I'll catch you guys in the next lesson.